Okay guys, welcome back to another YouTube video guys. So today we're gonna be kicking off a drip competition guys. So rate our drips from 1 to 10, who look the neatest, the freshest, or whatever. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with JP Stain. Alright, fully angelic with a max AK. You have JP Money. Right, I have King Chip, you know the girl them sugar daddy. Alright, and finally you have King Star. Yes, right. So that's rate with drip from 1 to 10 guys.